Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Danny. If you're new here, go ahead and subscribe and notification bell. Today's video is going to be an unboxing from Influenster. I have the box flipped over and I have not taken it out of the packaging or mailing or anything because my address is on the side, so that's why I have it flipped upside down. Now what Influenster is a website and an app on your phone. You can sign up for the website, or the app is where they send you free samples and you go in there and give your opinions and reviews about the actual products that they send you. You don't have to be a YouTuber or anything, but the more followers you have on each platform, the better chance you'll have of getting products to sample, because it is called influencers, so it's looking for influencers for people to influence other people. But I'm going to leave my invite code down at the bottom if you guys want to sign up. And then they do score you by how many social media you have connected. So I have my Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, and Facebook connected. And all of my followers are over 100 and some thousand. So they send me samples a lot. And what they do, they'll send you a survey thing right before they get ready to send samples to get your opinions on stuff. So like it's a hair sample. They'll send you something that says, would you mind coloring your hair? Would you mind reviewing a hair care product or something like that? And it'll give you, you answer yes and no about a certain amount of time. I think they give you like 1 or 2 days. And then it'll tell you like 1 or 2 days later if you're in. Like it's a few campaigns that I've submitted my stuff to that they didn't approve me for, and they never sent me anything for it. So yeah, so I did get foundations and stuff from them before. Product makeup stuff. You'll see that on my channel. I did some unboxing on those. So let's just get into this and I'll talk more about it after I open this. So this campaign is the L'Oreal Paris new Lash Serum solution. Condition care for your lashes. Denser, thicker looking lash fringe in 4 weeks. So this is the eyelash serum campaign. And here it tells you what's in it. Glycerin, provitamin B5, hyaluronic acid, macassoside, arginine. I don't know. I hope I'm not butchering these words, but that's what's in it. I'm going to open it up and show you guys how it looks inside. So this is the front of the little card. It tells you Lash Serum solution, and it tells you denser, thinner looking lashes. And it says 7 of 10 women saw less lash loss during makeup removal. Ophthalmologist tested. I'm assuming that's something to do with the eyelashes or something, or eye doctor. Suitable for contact lenses, suitable for sensitive eyes. And it's from Influenster. And on the back it gives you the directions. Check your L'Oreal Paris Serum solution. What's the campaign? Test out your twice a day for 4 weeks. So I'm assuming in the morning and at night. After 4 weeks, use to complete the post survey and share your review. You must disclose online that you receive these products for free or compensation. Yeah, so when they send you the stuff, you have to put like in your review that they sent it to you for free. Even if you forget to put it when you do your review, it'll post automatically on the bottom of the thing. This person received this from free from Influencer for product testing or something like that. Something similar in those lines. And then this is how it tells you how to use it. Start with a clean, dry eye. Prime applicator, twist top eye. Visible, twist cap 5, turn to apply to lashes and along the upper lash line. So I don't know if this will work if wearing false lashes, because you know you have to put it close to your lash line. And the glue would be close to your lash line. So I don't know. So by me using this, I guess I have to not wear lashes for 4 weeks. And this is how the product actually looks. Looks pretty good. And it's 0.5 fluid ounces. And I'm going to take it out of the pack to show you guys how that thing actually looks. So it actually looks like this. And I'm going to screw the top off so I can show you guys how the top part looks. This is how the top part looks. I'm not going to pump it out because I'm not going to put it on right now. But this is how the applicator looks. It looks like those e.l.f. Lip glosses that you twist out. And that little white part is like a applicator thing. But that's what it looks like. It's the Lash Serum solution. So yeah, so that was the L'Oreal Paris new Lash Serum solution. And if you have any questions or concerns, leave it down below. As I was saying, for Influencer, the more followers you have and stuff, the better chances you get with the campaigns and stuff. And there are multiple campaigns a month. I don't qualify for everything, but the ones I do qualify for, when they send me the thing, I'll fill out my little survey and then I'll wait for a response. Most of the time I've been doing, I think it's probably like 2 or 3 campaigns that I applied for that I didn't get. Most of them for like new foundations and stuff like that. I got so I got this serum before. I had another box that was makeup and stuff like that. The boxes aren't like generated for, like, it'll be like a summertime box, so it won't just be all makeup in the box. It'll be like makeup stuff, sunscreen, stuff like that. I got yeah, so I got a few boxes before. If you have any questions or concerns, just leave it down below. I did unboxing for a few of them, but some of them I didn't do. I got it for a few hair care products. The L'Oreal L Vibe, when it first came out, I got it for that. I don't think I did a review on those products. But yeah, so I really like it. If you want to join, you can use my invite code down below. And I might start doing reviews on the stuff that's in the actual boxes. So review of me after I use the products. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Comment down below. Share this video. All my social media is down below if you want to follow me on those. I have 2 ebooks on Amazon Kindle, Football Wags 1 and 2. You can read it for free if you have Kindle Unlimited. If you don't, it's 99 cents, so it's not that bad. It's not bad at all. And that's the cheapest I can go on the site, so it's not bad at all. I prefer you read it and leave me a review. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to subscribe.